channel. My name is Krishna, your BBS trainer. In this video, I am going to explain how to calculate the column rings. So in this column rings are there, no? There's a C1 column rings. So how to calculate this column ring sizes and how to calculate the total column ring quantity. So in the last class, I have explained for the C columns main rods C1, C2, C3, C4 and one more C30. I have explained height of the column main rods we have calculated. I have explained in the previous class. Parallelly, the respective columns we need to calculate the column ring also. This is the 300 mm column size ring tabular column, and I have taken one C1 column example for the training purpose. So first I will explain in the AutoCAD drawing. So what are the items to be calculated and what are the formulas are involved in this column ring. This is the C1 column having the 18 number of 16 dia rod, having one outer ring and two diamond ring and one center ring and two hook. And as per this, I am going to explain the required formulas for this respective rings. So I am taking this as a first outer ring. This is the outer ring I am taking for the calculation. So in this, what are the given details are there? This column length is A, capital A 850 mm and capital B 300 mm width, and a cover to the main reinforcement is 40 mm. And what we have to calculate, this you have to calculate the ring diameter is from the center ring of the center ring only we need to calculate the ring length. So like that, if you want to calculate A is equal to capital A, means we want to calculate small a, then small a is equal to capital A minus 2 times of cover minus half of the rod ring dia here and half of the ring dia here, total 1D we need to deduct. And similarly in the width wise also, this is the A and B calculation formula. Next, so the outer ring is equal to size of the ring plus hook minus bend deduction. This is the standard for the calculation. Here the outer ring is equal to size. Size means 2 times of this A and this B. When you are calculating multiplying this A 2 times and B 2 times, then this ring size will center to center size of the ring will come, and then plus 2 times of this hook. This one hook is equal to 10D we are calculating as per standard 10D, and 2 hook is there, that's why 2 into 10D minus bend deduction we need to do. So here how many 90-degree bends are there? 3 bends are there, 90-degree bend, because of 3 numbers of 2D. 2D means 90-degree bend coefficient, and 2 into 3D, 2 means 135-degree bend. How many 135-degree bend here is there? 2 135-degree bend is there. Then that is 2 into 3D. 3D means 3D is the coefficient for 135-degree bend. Then if you are simplifying this formula, then outer ring is equal to 2 into A plus B plus 2 into 10D means 20D minus 3 into 2D plus 2 into 3D means total here 6D, here 6D, total 12D. That is equal to 20D minus 12D. So this is the outer ring formula. Then I am going to calculate this diamond ring formula. So as per this diamond ring for this column area, if you are calculating this diamond ring space, whatever these 2 column rods are come, no, that I am taking is an 115 mm standard for this diamond ring column area. And from this diamond ring, if you put triangle for this diamond ring, and we are from the triangle, if you are calculating this hypotenuse side, C will come 195 mm. So this is the standard diamond ring space. I am keeping 195 mm for the diamond ring hypotenuse side, and this whatever the column main rod size inside this diamond ring will be 115 mm. For that 115 mm I am calling as a DS. DS is the diamond ring space. And B will be as it is, B will be calculated from the capital B minus 2 times of cover minus 2 times of half the dia, then small b will come. So then diamond ring formula, if we calculating the diamond ring formula, cutting length is equal to this small b plus 2 times of this C. C means this diamond ring hypotenuse, 2 times of C plus 2 times of this bend means hook. Hook is the 2 times of hook 10d, then 2 times of hook is equal to 2 into 10d minus 4 into 3d. Here totally 4 times of 135-degree bend will come. So 141, 2, 3, 4. 2 hook and 2 corners are, we will get 4 times of 135-degree bend. That's why 135-degree bend coefficient is 3d. That's why 4 into 3 into d. Then diamond ring is equal to B plus 2 times of C plus 2 into 10d means 20d minus 4 into 3 into d means 12d. So this is the diamond ring formula. Next, center ring formula. We are going to calculate this center ring formula. To calculate the center ring formula, we need some 2-3 inputs to calculate this x and c. So what we have to do first, this is the capital longer side, A is equal to 850 mm. From that A we are calculating this C and then X. So you see, this is the diamond ring spacing for the outer two rods, and this is the X is equal to, these are the spacing between these center rods. For that what we have to do, B is equal to, as it is, B minus 2 into cover minus 2 into d by 2 is, then B will come, then C is equal to X plus D plus CRD. So X, then what we have to do, then we have to calculate X, then X is equal to, you see, total length 850 mm A minus 2 into cover minus 2 times of ds. Ds means this is the diamond ring spacing. This 2 times of diamond ring spacing we need to deduct, minus 2 times of d means here also one this ring dia, or here one ring dia, then it will come 2 dia of the ring minus 1 corner column rod dia. This is the CCRD, corner column rod dia means here half of the rod and here half of the rod we need to deduct. Then whole thing divided by number of rods between this diamond ring. So we need to deduct how many number of rods is there in between that diamond ring, n plus 1. Then this will this x value will come. So then after getting this x value, then we need to calculate this c value. So here this corner, here the CCRD means corner column rod dia, and DS is diamond ring spacing, and CRD is the inside center ring column dia. That will come here when we are calculating the C. C is equal to X. This X is equal to X we calculated, then C is equal to this X plus D. D means here half of the ring dia and here half of the ring dia, then one column ring dia will come. Then CRD means here half of the center column rod dia and here half of the center column rod dia, then one column rod dia will come. Then we got this C value. Once this C value comes, then C 2 times and this B 2 times and plus 2 hook and bend deduction if you did, then this center ring column cutting length is came. This is the center ring column rod cutting length. Then we are going to hook. Then hook is very simple. Then only this small b minus 2 times of cover minus 2 times of hook plus 2 times of this 135-degree bend. That's it. This is equal to, when you are simplifying this, b minus 2 times of cover minus this d, 2 into d by 2 means 1d plus 20d for hook and minus 6d for bend deduction. So this is the formulas required for calculating this column rod dia. Then we'll go to the Excel sheet and I will explain how to enter this column details and how to enter these values over here. So you see here in this, as usually, this serial number will be first column, serial number 1, 2, 3, and the second column is the description of the item. In the description will come column number and what are the type of rings to be entered over here. Then number of columns is how many number of columns you are going to calculate, those number details will come here. And this number of rings means these are the number of rings, how many diamond rings are there and how many hooks are there and how many outer rings are there. Those details has to be entered over here. These are the type of ring numbers, and this length, width, height is the length and width is will come from the column size. This is the 850 size of the column, and height will be taken from this column rod calculation. We taken the column main rod calculation, no, from there this respective C1 column means that C1 column height, we have calculated column height for the ring. You can keep it highlight for this, for the calculation you can keep it highlight. From here you have to take this column height for the respective columns, and this is the number of 135 degree and number of 90-degree bends for the respective columns to be entered over here. And this is the dia of the ring, 8 mm, and this corner column dia and center column dia, this is the important to calculate the center ring. This is the column dia and center dia means from you have to take it here. When you are going to take the calculation of this C1, you see 18 number of 16 dia rod is there, then all over 16 dia rod is spreaded over here. That's why we are taking this corner column dia and center column dia, both are 16 mm, that is 16 mm over here and 16 mm over here. And then column cover is 40 mm, and column ring spacing, this is the ring spacing is given over here. This is the ring spacing given for calculating the number of rings. This is the ring spacing 200 mm. And for calculation of this diamond ring, that 195 is the hypotenuse side, and calculation for this center ring, this diamond ring spacing for this diamond ring outer is there, no, this is the diamond ring spacing 115 mm, and this hypotenuse 195 mm. This is respectively for the diamond ring and respectively for the center ring. This has been entered, and this is number of one side number of column rods between diamond ring. This is the one side number of column rods between diamond ring. This after this diamond ring, how many rods are there in between this diamond ring, that is the calculation. 1 2 3 4, this 4 is the diamond ring spacing in between diamond ring spacing column numbers. Next this both side hook, this hook is equal to same 2 into 10d, 2 into 10d for all the rings, hook will come. Then bend deduction, means same as usually. When 135-degree bend comes, it will be 3 times of dia. When 90-degree bend comes, this will be 2 times of the dia. That formula is fitted over here. This is for the bend deduction. I think you can check out this formula. And next inside rod spacing. Inside rod spacing means this will come for this center ring. This is the center ring, no. For that center ring, inside column rod spacing, because when you are placing this center rod, no, in between this center rod, how many this rod spacing means what we have calculated the x, no. This is the x, this is the we have calculated x in between this center ring. How many x are there? That is the that is this value, this inside ring spacing, number of center rod spacing. This is the 1x or 2x or 3x that has to be entered over here. Then after entering this, automatically this center ring C will calculate. This C is there, no, this C will calculate automatically. After the C calculation, all this cutting length as per this cutting length formula what I explained over here for the respective rings, those formula is fitted over here. As per this formula, this cutting length will calculate. Then the number of rings is equal to the height of the column. The height of the column divided by spacing plus 1. This is the number of ring will calculate. So how many height we are putting the column, no, that height divided by spacing plus 1, it will come the number of column rings. If any fractions is come over here, then we have to put this round off formula. When we put this round off formula, totally this number of ring set will come. Next total length of bar. Then total length of bar is equal to number of columns multiplied by this cutting length into number of rings. Then we will get the total length of bar. The same total length of the bar is same for all the four rings, and this number of rods also for all the 4 rings, and only this cutting length formula will be different for respective rings. Then unit weight is equal to same d, the dia of the ring, d square divided by 162, ring dia. This next total weight is equal to then this total length of bar multiplied by this unit weight. Then we will get this total weight of the bar. Then after getting this total weight of the bar, then we need to separate it for the dia wise. For that we are using if condition formula. No, we are using if If this dia 8 mm is matched, multiplied by this total weight, or else 0. That formula we are fitted over here. This I have explained in the beginning. For that, if you want to learn this if condition formula, please watch that video to learn this formula feeding. So similarly, this 8 mm, 10 mm, 12 mm, 16 mm, all the dias we need to enter this formula. But because we are taking only ring, only 8 mm answer only will come. If ring is changed to 10 mm, then 10 mm will come. Not more than that. Then this is not required. Even though for the standard, you keep all this formula till end of the calculation. It is useful for linking the pages. Next, after completing, if you do like this, then all these formulas and for one column calculation is completed. So similarly, this is the one column calculation. Similarly, I will explain you for other columns how to enter the values. So here, please go through this video and learn this formulas neatly. And one more video, short video also I put it for this clear formula explanation. So now after completing this, I will take one more file of this column. So I will create one more file, sub file of this, because in this formulas are there. That's why I am creating one more file of this. So and keep the file name as for ring from footing to ground floor beam bottom. Okay, then so I will delete all these formulas from this sheet. After deleting, you see again you come to the first serial number column, then copy all the C1 column rows, Control C, then insert this column by keeping one line below and change the serial number and change the column name C2. Then go to C2. Then what C2 is saying, go to the C2 detail. So you see C2 column size also changed and the column die also changed and the number of rings and number of rings also got changed, but the shapes and all is same, but column size also changed. So accordingly you have to change those specifications. You see, so column size is 300 by 850 is there, here 300 by 900 is there. So and this number of columns is 1 and this things is number of rings have to be changed. You see serial number is over, description as it is same, all the outer ring, center ring and diamond ring and hook will come. Number of columns is 1 only, and this number of rings, you have to see this number of rings. What are the rings, how many types are there? Here you see the outer ring 1 number is there, diamond ring 2 number is there, and the center ring 1 number is there, but hook is 3 number is there. So according to that you have to change this number. Outer ring 1 number, center ring 1 number, hook diamond ring 2 number and hook 3 number, and this column size is 900. So change this 900 for all the rings. Next, column height you have to check it from the this column main rod calculation, that is 3.35, put it in 3.35 in mm. Then this 135 degree bend and 95 degree bend, as it is same for this, as it is C1 how it is there, same thing it is there, and dia 8 mm as it is same. And here you see this is the corner column rod dia and center column rod dia, previously 16, and as per this column dia this is 20 dia 12 numbers, you mean 20 numbers of 12 dia. Okay, then in this column all 12 dias will come, both 12 dias will come. Then column cover will be same, and spacing 200 as it is 200, and diamond ring hypotenuse side as it is calculated for this hypotenuse for the diamond ring, and 115 is the spacing for this center ring for the diamond ring space, and here it will be become change. One side number of column rods between diamond ring. So in between diamond ring how many numbers are there? So here diamond ring 2 number gone, here diamond ring 2 number gone, then what is the remaining? 1 2 3 4 5 number of rods is there in between the diamond ring. You have to change, this is 5. Then hook length automatically calculated, bend deduction automatically calculated, and inside rod spacing this x has been calculated. And here is the important one, number of center rod spacing. Here this center ring is there, no, this center ring is spaced in between three rods, horizontally three rods, means two spacing is there. So this spacing you need to enter over here. One is there, one, two is there, two, three is there, three. In this column two is there, you have to enter two. Then automatically this C size will calculate. Then this cutting length, as usually all this cutting length formula is copied over here, number of hours, number of length, everything is copied over here. Then C2 column calculation is over. Then go to C3, again copy this C2 column, put Control C and insert one line below this third column, change this serial number 3 and change column number 3, and rings are as it is same. Then go to column C3, see, and C3 we have something changes compared to C2. What is the C2? This number of shape of the rings and number of rings are all same, ring spacing is same, column size is same. Only the changes of, here it is 20 numbers of 12 dia is there, here 6 numbers of 20 and 14 number of 16 is there. Means outer dia also changed and inner dia also changed, and total number of rod is here also 20 number, here also 20 number. Then this number of rods between diamond ring will come same, 1 2 3 4 5. This will be 5 same, but these are changing, so dias are changing. Just go to the Excel sheet. These diamond rings are same, number of column is same, number of rings are same, column size same, and height we need to check with the C3 column. Here also C3 3.35 is there. And next this number of 135 degree and 90 degree everything is same, column rod dia same, and corner column rod dia and center column rod dia, here it will came. What is the corner column rod dia? This corner column rod dias are 20 and center column dias are 16. This has to be changed immediately. Okay, then column cover is same, column rod spacing is same, and diamond ring hypotenuse size is same, and diamond ring rod spacing I am keeping both are same. And here one side number of column rods, this is also same according to, because here also 20 number, here also 20 number, that's why this is the 5 number, 1 2 3 4 5 is same, that's why I am keeping that 5 is same. And hook length will calculate and bend length will calculate, and inside column rod will calculate, and is number of column rod spacing. And here also you see this center ring is rounded with 3 rods, means it is there, 2 spacing is there, means X is calculated 2 times, then that is 2 times. Then this work is over, C3 is over. Then come to C4, Control C, insert over here, take it 4th column, C4, and go to C4. And what C4 is saying here, C4 number of rings also changed, column size also changed, and here this number of rods and dias also changed. Dias are same, but number of column rods are changed because of the column size. Then as per this C4, go to this column, number of column rods number of columns are same, and number of column rings, as per this how many column rings are there? 1 outer ring, 2 diamond ring, 1 center ring, and 1 hook. Okay, keep it that 1 outer ring, 1 center ring, 2 diamond ring, and 1 hook. So has to be changed. And what is the column size over here? 750 by 300. Change it 750, and this same, all this 750 you change it. And column height I have to check with the column C4 column. What is the C4 column height? C4 column height is 3.35, as it is 3. This column height should be followed as per the column main rods only. You have to copy that height and you have to paste it over here in millimeter. Then this 135 degree and 90 degrees are same, dia is same, and here corner column rod and center column rod same as like this previous column itself. This is the outer columns are 20 dia and center column rods are 16 dia. That is also has been entered over here. And column cover is same, spacing is same, diamond ring hypotenuse same, and diamond ring spacing is same, and this one side number of column rods between diamond ring, this will get changed. You see here, after this diamond ring, here 2 diamond ring gone and here 2 diamond ring gone. What is the remaining? Only 3 rods are there. You need to enter, that is only 3. Then hook length will be calculated, bend allowance calculated, and inside ring space also it will calculated, that x value, and number of center rod spacing. And you see this center, how many rods are spacing over here? Here you see 3 rods are there, means 2 spacing in, x value is 2 over here, that 2 as it is entered over here. So then this, like this we need to calculate for all 100 columns also. If you copy paste and enter, copy paste and enter the respective values, then automatically this ring values will calculate. When you are starting calculating this column main bars, no, so parallelly you have to keep both the files nearby, and once you completed this C1 column, you have to complete the C1 ring. Once you completed the C2 column, parallelly you have to complete the C2 ring. So then automatically this ring value and this column value both are, it will come after completion of this. Then you have to take all this total and all over here, then you have to calculate all total over here, and in this ring also you have to calculate all total over here. Then end of this one I will explain you how to make this summary of this also. I will explain you in the one more video. Then you have completed this all column reinforcements from C1 to C4. Kindly practice until all the columns you complete. If you want this drawings and Excel sheet for your practice, contact this number through WhatsApp or call. Then I will share you these drawings with you, then for your practice. I hope you people like this video. Kindly subscribe if you are not subscribed, and like and share with your friends and colleagues. And if you have any comments in the calculation, or if you are having any doubts, please comment in the comment box. I will reply for that. Thank you very much.